Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix the error that says account exists on this device in World App. The first thing you should try is restarting your mobile phone. Restarting clears temporary files and resets the system memory. Many times this alone will solve the error. After restarting, open World App again and see if the message has gone away. If the error is still there, the next step is to uninstall the World App completely from your phone. Once it is removed, go to the App Store and install it again. Reinstalling gives you a fresh copy of the app and can fix problems caused by corrupted data. After reinstalling, open the app and check if you can log in without seeing the error. If you still face the same problem, then the last option is to contact World App customer support. To do this, you first need to create a new account on a second device, or you can also access the World App website. Once you are logged in with the new account, tap on the settings icon at the top right. From there, go to support. In the top right corner of the support page, you will see a customer support icon. Tap on it and you will be able to chat with either the automated bot or a real support agent. Explain your issue clearly and tell them that your phone shows the account exists on this device error. They will guide you through recovery or reset steps. By following these steps one by one, you should be able to solve the issue. Thanks for watching.